Hey guys, it's Sierra, your 310 nutritionist and health coach, and today I want to talk to you guys about our brand new product, the 310 Hydrates, and how they can play a role in your daily hydration. But before I get into all things hydrates, let's first take a look at some signs and symptoms of dehydration. Number one, you're probably going to notice an increase in thirst, but by the time you're thirsty, you're actually already dehydrated. Along with this, you'll likely notice some headache, confusion, dizziness, maybe some irritability, along with decreased urinary output and urine that is very likely dark in color. Before I tell you guys how to use your 310 Hydrates, I want to talk a little bit about electrolytes. Electrolytes are electrically charged minerals found within the body that help to regulate fluid, which in turn regulates nerve and muscle function. Some important electrolytes within the body are potassium, chloride, and sodium. Sodium gets a lot of attention, and sometimes it's a bit negative attention, but it is important to remember that sodium is a crucial electrolyte. The CDC and FDA recommend a goal for sodium intake to be about 2,300 milligrams a day. Now, some individuals are instructed to follow a lower sodium diet, so it is important to always remember to follow medical professional advice as it applies to you. So finally, let's take a look at 310 Hydrates and what it's all about. 310 Hydrates is essentially enhanced hydration. Water is a great source of hydration for our body, but it's not always enough on its own, especially when we're traveling or sick, not getting as much sleep as we should, or especially during the hot summer months. Each 310 Hydrates contains key vitamins, minerals, and electrolytes that not only help to replace fluids, but maintain homeostasis within our body. Within each 310 Hydrate, you will find delicious rehydration consisting of caffeine and sugar-free ingredients that are also gluten-free and GMO-free, along with a vitamin and electrolyte blend, all for less than 10 calories per serving. When you are ready to use your 310 Hydrates, it's so easy. Simply open the 310 Hydrates packet, pour it into some water, shake or stir, sip, and enjoy. It's that easy. We do recommend about 16 ounces of water. However, you can adjust the water to either dilute or concentrate the flavor. Either way, the benefit is the same. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this information about the 310 Hydrates, and I hope to see you guys incorporate that into your daily routine. Again, my name is Sierra, 310 nutritionist and health coach. Thanks for watching.